We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Do you consider yourself to be a bit of a fancy pants? Well, you can't go past the fancy marble fireplace. A marble fireplace is the quintessential addition to any period home. But it doesn't just have to feature in the living or the dining room. Treat yourself like Mel and I are going to by putting one in our master bedroom. Not only will marble stand the test of time, but it will add significant value to your home and really give you that wow factor that you're looking for.
This is good.